Hi. Are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
What's
Celine?
Yeah, for Celine. What's my name?
I don't know. What is your name?
You should know.
Yeah, well, I don't really know how to use the app, so...
Okay, just get in. Just get in.
Okay. Kind of rude, but whatever.
What?
Nothing.
Watch out for my door. Just don't slam it, because a lot of people slam it.
What?
Whoa, what?
What?
I said don't slam my door. This is the first thing you did.
It's just a G-Wagon. Like, chill out. Ugh, I don't even think it was gonna be this car. I don't like G-Wagons. They're so basic. Everybody in Beverly Hills drives G-Wagons. I have like 5 friends that have G-Wagons. It's so dumb.
Okay, well, like, I don't know what. I mean, what do you want me to say? You want me to pick you up in a Honda Civic?
Ew, no, not a Honda. It's just like, I don't know. I'm supposed to pull up to this hair salon, and I asked for like a nice Uber, or at least I thought
You
I
ordered
did.
an Uber pool. Okay, I'm only gonna get paid like $3 on this ride.
What's an Uber pool?
It's the one where we have to share the ride with someone. We're picking somebody else up too.
What the fuck? I'm not gonna share this ride with somebody.
You ordered an Uber pool.
I have somewhere to be, dude. I'm getting my hair done. Do you see my roots? Roots run deep. As deep as this fucking roots do. So I need to fucking go. I'm not sharing this ride. No,
you ordered an Uber Express pool. You were supposed to walk to me. I had to come find you.
No, I don't walk anywhere. People walk to me. Like, no.
I'm probably gonna lose money on this ride.
Well, good. I mean, what the fuck? Like, that's not my fault. That it
okay.
said
I have an idea.
pool.
I have an idea. Let's start over. Hi. Hello. How are you?
I mean, are you gonna change the ride to a regular Uber? I'm already putting up with the fact that I'm gonna fucking.
Fine. I'll cancel the next. Are you not wearing your seatbelt?
No, I don't wear seatbelts.
You have to wear your seatbelt.
I don't want to wear my seatbelt. You can't make me wear my seatbelt.
I'm not gonna continue this ride.
This is basically a taxi. You don't have to wear a.
No, this is Uber.
I'm not wearing a seatbelt.
I'm not continuing until you put it on.
I'm not gonna. I don't have to wear a seatbelt. It's a taxi.
Okay, well, can you at least sit up straight?
Excuse me?
What?
Are you insulting my posture? Dude, I literally had to go to finishing school. I walked around with books on my goddamn head, books that were this thick, and I had to read them.
Wait, you carried books
And I
in your
hate
head?
reading. Yeah, my posture is fantastic. How fucking dare you?
Okay.
How dare you?
Alright, well, can you at least rate me 5 stars? Because my Uber rating is getting low, so.
Yeah, I'll give you 5 stars, bro. Okay, sure, yeah.
Yeah?
Totally a 5-star ride. Totally.
Thank you.
This is like...
Can you give me a tip too, at least? Because I'm only gonna make like 3.
Don't ride in a fucking G-Wagon.
Why not?
They're basic.
Okay, well, geez, I'll pick you up in a Hyundai Accent next.
Did you just say accent with an accent? This isn't
That's
like Target. You can't just say Target and think like it's.
What are you supposed
fancy.
to pronounce accent without an accent? It's a Hyundai Accent.
No, just because it sounds like accent doesn't mean it has to be accent. It's a Hyundai piece of shit.
Can you not? Are you wearing your dirty? Are your shoes dirty?
Okay, the only thing that's dirty in this car is your fucking mouth.
My mouth?
Yeah.
I haven't cussed once. You're the only one cussing.
I'm not even fucking cussing. What are you talking about?
You know I'm recording this, and I have 3-year-olds watching, okay? They're gonna be a little upset.
Wait, why do you have 3-year-olds watching videos of me? That's really weird.
I don't know. They click. It's just views.
What?
They watch the ads. That's how I make my money.
Are you...
By the way, is it okay if I post this on YouTube?
Yeah, literally. I was just gonna say, are you fucking gonna put this on social media?
Is that fine?
Bro, have you seen my roots? Why do you think I'm going to the hair salon?
I don't know. Maybe you can get a couple followers.
Excuse me. I have followers. Thank you. I have followers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I mean, if
everyone
this
in
is on
LA
YouTube,
has followers.
Celine Velvet, Solene.
You're not
Velvet,
shouting
please
out.
Follow
What?
Me. No, what the hell? If you're gonna film me without my permission, I better get a follower. You're lucky that I actually love social media.
Well, can you give me a follow too, at least then?
Yeah, just follow me and I'll look for your Instagram.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, sounds good. So, do you want to hang out later then too, or what?
Sorry,
Sorry, I actually made a wrong turn. So hold on.
Oh my God.
What? What's wrong?
Nothing. I think I just I can't hang out
What?
later because I have
Did
plans.
you just cancel the ride?
No.
You just canceled the ride.
No.
Are you serious? I'm only gonna make $3 on this trip. Now I'm gonna make $0. You're
I didn't
joking.
cancel the ride, but I do have to go to the end of the street and get out. But I didn't cancel the ride. Just tell
You canceled the ride. What the heck?
No,
Are you serious?
I didn't. No, I didn't.
I'm gonna kick you out right here.
I didn't.
You know what? You can walk.
I'm not gonna walk.
You can walk.
I'm not gonna. Wow, you're gonna kick me out here and you're gonna ask me out? What the hell?
Well, I'm gonna drive by this stupid security car first because
literally,
I don't know. He's driving a Hyundai.
This is ridiculous. Yeah, you see how shitty Hyundais are? Security guards drive them. Lame.
Okay, fine. I'll drop you off right here.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Bye.
You're gonna have to walk a mile, so have fun.
It's not a mile. It's right here. What the hell? It's stupid.
Get out of my car.
It's basically up there.
I'm reporting you to Uber services.
No, you're not. I'm reporting you for being an asshole and filming me without the permission. Celine Velvet at Instagram.com or But yeah,
don't slam my door on the way out.
No.
Please.
Yeah.
Do not. I'm serious. Don't slam it. Okay.
You shouldn't be an Uber.
And watch your shoes on the way
You're
out.
fucking weird. Fuck you. You're lucky that my shoes are even in this car. And no, I'm not going on a date with you. I have a boyfriend and a sugar daddy.
Wow. She has a sugar daddy too. And she slammed my door. It's the worst ride ever. Do you see this, Dustin? Do you see this? I'm quitting Uber. Bye, guys. Pranked you guys. Haha.
Just kidding.
All you losers thought that was a real video. No, I'm just kidding. You guys aren't losers, but seriously,
cool.
if you thought that was a real video, what?
G-Wagons are cool. Unless you live in Orange County, then apparently they're not cool.
What?
Because you were saying earlier that people in Orange County think G-Wagons are lame. But out
No, I
here,
didn't.
everybody drives.
I said no one drives them there.
Ooh, did I out you by accident? My bad.
Alright. Like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
And you can actually follow her on Instagram if you want.
That is actually my IG, I
We'll
swear.
leave both of our Instagram links in the description below. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Any final words?
R.I.P.?
R.I.P. to...
You said final words.
Oh, that just took a dark turn. Alright, bye guys.